Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Today I will drive you towards a new feature where I will tell you how to send PDF and templates directly via SMS. Firstly, we'll click on PDF creation option. There you can upload your document. I am uploading a sample file. Uploaded a sample file. Beside this signing order, you can see send by SMS option is available. You just have to tick here and this option will be available for you. For this option, you have to enter the name and the phone number of the recipient. You can also write the message for the recipient that will be displayed to him as an SMS body. And this is for the email one. I have added all the relevant information. Now I will click on confirm. Once the document has been uploaded, I will fill in with all the relevant fields required as per this document. I have added all the relevant fields. Now I will click on send. You can see the option of send by SMS. You can also see that -1 SMS credit. This number relates to the recipient which you have added as per this document. That means the number of credit used will depend upon the number of recipient added to your document. Now I will click on send by SMS and that particular document has been sent to my recipient through a text. For ins- for instance, I have added my own number, so I have received the text message. The message contains the link, the SMS body which I have typed. Once I'll click on the link, the recipient will get the option to start signing, and once the recipient has signed, it will now I will click on finish, and once the document has been signed, the recipient will again get a text message that your document has been signed and get a link to view the signed document. Now we will talk about the important notes about this feature. This feature is available as a part of a growing business plan, and the credit for sending SMS messages need to be purchased separately at $12 for 500 credit. The number of credits will depend upon the number of recipient added to your document. Imagine sending an urgent contract or proposal to a client who's on the move or a waiver that needs quick acknowledgement, all directly through SMS. This feature is perfect for business that need rapid document sending without the wait for email responses. Thank you.